thunderstorm is crazy. It's like the thunder is so loud. I don't want to go outside, but like it's so loud, like the lightning and thunderstorm. But if you've seen my shot, but if you watch my shot, you saw that I'm in the middle of making slime, and it's almost done, as you can see, like a bright pink. But now let's add like the charms. So in here, I have this extra slime. It's white slime. This extra bag. We put the slime in a plastic bag, and I put all the plastic bags in. I put all the charms in the plastic bag, so like it doesn't get mixed up. But we have strawberry, pink pineapple, lemon, and these blue crystal things. But let's add. I'm gonna add this, cause like we already added the strawberry, but let's see what it looks like with this. Okay, we have 1 scoop. Let's put it inside. It looks like red. But let's mix it. Alrighty, I think it's done. Let's open the can. Oh, so sticky. Oh, stuck. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Okay. It's sticking to it. Okay. Does it still have the poke? Yeah, kind of. Wait. Okay, let's see. Look at the color difference. It's like more orange. Which one do you like more? I think I prefer the lighter one. This can be just like an extra one. But this is actually also very cute. Let's see if this looks like this one. Yep, no. This one is so much darker than both. Let's see. This is so cool. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.